Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to move your Steam games and libraries in just a few minutes. This is super useful if you're running out of space on your drive or just want to reorganize your games without re-downloading everything. Let's jump right in. First, open the Steam application on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head to the top left and click on Steam, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This is where you can manage all your Steam configurations, including your storage locations. In the Settings menu, look on the left-hand side and click Storage. Here you'll see your current library locations. To add a new one, click the Add Drive button. This lets you choose a new directory where Steam can store your games, navigate through your folders, and pick the drive or folder that has enough space and good speed. It's important for performance. Now comes the fun part. Moving your games. Go to your library, select the game or games you want to move, and click Move. A prompt will appear asking you to choose the destination library. Pick the new drive you just added, then click Move again, and Steam will start transferring your games. The time this takes depends on the size of your games and the speed of your drives. And just like that, your games are now on a new drive. This simple trick helps keep your system organized, improves performance, and saves you from the hassle of reinstalling everything. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching.